Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. I hope all of you are fit and fine. No one is going out of the house without any reason. You are obeying your parents, I suppose. You are following each and everything as they tell you. Because they are your parents, they are your well-wishers. They will always wish good for you. So please follow your parents' advice and please do as they say. One more thing I would like to tell you, don't eat the junk food, don't eat the food brought from outside, always eat the food made at home. It should be healthy and hot food. Do not eat the stale food. And this video is for class 3 and today's subject is grammar. So before we start with our video, let us read one thought. A mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it is not open. So what is the meaning of this thought? That our mind is a parachute. You all might have seen parachute as it is seen over here. Parachute is used when you are flying high above the ground. You are flying in the sky. Parachute will give you support so that you will not fall down. So your mind should be like parachute. It should be open. If it is not open, it will not work. If parachute is not open, the person may fall down. Same way, if the mind is not open, the person will fall down in his life. If you want to achieve success in the life, if you want to be successful, your mind should be like parachute. It means that you have to accept whatever others are telling you. You don't have to just fight with them. You have to accept that others' opinions are also right. What you think is right, so it doesn't mean what others are thinking is wrong. You have to accept their opinion. You have to learn new things every day. And every day when you learn new things, your mind will be open like parachute and you will be successful in the life. So remember, a mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it is not open. Unless you open your mind, you will not get knowledge from anywhere. When your mind is open, you will get knowledge from all the four sides. You will see that everywhere there is something to learn about. So let us see the topics that we are going to cover today. We are going to start new chapter, that is nouns. And first I'll give the introduction of the lesson. What are nouns? Why do we use nouns? And then we will start with a warm-up exercise. Means we will just have a fun exercise of nouns. We have to circle the nouns. That is a warm-up exercise, the fun exercise that I have for you. And after that, we will start with the explanation. I will explain you the concept of what are common nouns, what are proper nouns. You already know what are common nouns and proper nouns, but still we will have a quick revision. We will understand what are common nouns and proper nouns. So let us start with our video. So as you can see the screen, what is the picture on the screen? What makes a noun? Means how do we make a noun? How is the noun formed? What is the meaning? So a person, a place, a thing. So how do we make a noun along with the name of a person, or it is a place's name, or it is a thing's name? As you can see, the girl is standing over here, the person, the boy is there. It can be a place like earth. See, the earth is shown. It can be any place on the earth. It can be your school, your house, anything. That is a place. Then it is a thing. Anything you can say over here. You can see the sun. So we call it as it. So the noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. That is called a noun. So this is what is the definition of the noun. Then now we'll read what are nouns. What I just said, now we will read it. So nouns are the words that names people, place, animal and things. What will the noun do? It will name. It will give the name to what? To people. It will give the names to the people. For example, your name is Sarah. His name is Jack. Her name is Rose. That is what is the name of the people. Then place. Like example, Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad. All these are the name of the place. Animals. Let us give the names to the animals. Like dog is there, or cat, or giraffe. That are animals. Then things. Anything you can say, like car, then bottle. You can say water bottle, or a school, compass box. All these are called things, non-living things. So the nouns are the words. Nouns are called the naming words. It will give the names to person, place, animal and things. This is the definition of the noun. Then what is the second point? Around us we see so many things, right? Around us, like near your house, so many things you can see. You can see vehicles are there, people are there, your neighbors are there. Then you can see in your house what is there. You can see pan is there, television, table is there. So many things are there around us that we can see. Fan is there above us. So all these things are nouns, and we have to divide these nouns in a particular category. Like all the things which I just said, all the examples, they are different kinds of nouns, and we must divide the nouns in the correct category. Then next point, everything that we see has some name, right? If you see something like in the class, if you see the table, it is called a table. Then where do you sit? You sit on the bench. How do you write? You write with a pencil. So that has some name. Everything has a name. Without name, you cannot speak anything. Even all the people have their names. Then examples are over here. Which are the names? Computer is there. You can go to computer lab. You work on computer. You can do drawing. You can type. That is computer. That is the name of a machine. Blackboard. What is blackboard? There are green boards, black boards, white boards. So that are used by the teachers to teach the students. So that is the name of the thing which is used for teaching. Then chalk. Chalk is used for blackboard. Teachers use chalk for writing. So chalk is the name of the thing used for writing. Then book. What is book? We all know book is something where we get knowledge from. So book is the source of knowledge. And lastly, what is given example? Teacher. Like I am teaching you right now, you are listening to me, my voice is coming there to you. That is, I am teaching you. So I am a teacher. So everyone, I, you, me, all the things around you, everything that you see has some name. Without name, you cannot speak anything, a word. So if you want to speak about something or someone, then you need the name of that person, place or thing, and that is called a noun. Now we will see the types of the nouns. In that, the first topic is common nouns. So what are common nouns? Let us read the first point. Common nouns are the general or generic name of a person, place, animal, thing. So any general name, generally you say that I am sitting on the bench, that is the table, that is the blackboard, this is my pencil. So the name of the person, place, animal, thing, the general names. General means in common. So many things. That table is there, but there are so many tables. You have pencil, but all the students have pencil. So pencils are so many, tables are so many. These are called general names, common names of nouns that are called common nouns. Then examples are given over here, which are that tree, man, mountain, box, etc. So trees are so many. There are so many trees around us. We get oxygen from trees. Without trees, we cannot live. So there are millions of trees around the globe. Then man, even I am a man, and others, those who are living. Your family members are there. Father is there. Grandfather is there. Man, it is a common noun. It is referred to all the males, all the boys. Then mountain. Mountains are also so many, right? Mountains are high. We can climb sometimes we cannot climb it if it is very high. So mountain, it is the rock, the big hard stone, you can say. Mountains are so many. For example, Himalayas, you can say, the famous mountains. Then boxes are also so many. We can pack so many things. Your compass is a box, right? Your bag, inside there might be a box, a geometry box. So boxes can be so many. So these are the general names of the things. You can refer to anything, that please give me a box. See that mountain, see the man standing there, see the beautiful tree with the fruits. All these are common nouns. Then point number 3, common noun is only capitalized if it is a part of a title or it is used in the beginning of the sentence. So always remember, see, as you can see over here, see the first alphabet, C capital. Here E is capital, here again C is capital. But are these proper nouns? No. Proper nouns are the name, particular name, like my name is there or your name is there. Like I said, Jack. So J will be capital. Rose, so R will be capital. But here, these are common nouns. Still I have written capital. Can you tell me why? Because it is the beginning of the sentence. Beginning means the starting, the first alphabet of the sentence. It is. So it is capital. But otherwise, common nouns will never be capital. Like I say, it is a table. So when I write table in a sentence, I will write T in a lowercase, Table. I will not write T capital because it is not the first alphabet. And if it is the first alphabet, it should be capitalized, means like this it should be capital if it is first alphabet, otherwise it will never be capital. Next type of noun is proper noun. So what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific or particular name of a person, place, animal, things. So what are proper nouns? A particular name. Particular means it is only one of the kind. Only one person has that name, or only one place has that name. No other place or no other person has the name like that person or place. Particular means only one. There is only one of that type, like only one person, only one place, one animal or one thing. That is called proper noun. So let us read the definition again. Proper nouns are specific or particular name of a person, place, animal and things. Now let us read the examples. Diya. So Diya is the name of a girl. Like I said, Rose. And I said Jack, that is the name of a boy. So here Diya, the name of the girl is given. Mount Everest, it is the name of the mountain. Like I said, Himalayas, mountains. Same way Mount Everest, mountain. Delhi, that is the name of the place that we all know. Just like Bhavnagar, Delhi is also a place. So as you can see here, all these are proper nouns. Why? Because it is the name of a person. Here it is the place. Here this is the name of a mountain. This is a place. So what do we understand by this? Proper nouns can be particular, means Diya is only one girl. In my class, suppose if I have Diya, then Diya is name of one girl. All the girls in the class cannot have the name Diya. Mount Everest is the name of only one mountain. All the mountains do not have the name Mount Everest. Then Delhi. Delhi is the name of only one city in India. In the world, no other city is Delhi. Like no other city is Bhavnagar. So here as you can see, the first alphabet is always capitalized. First alphabet should be capitalized because it is the name of a person, place or any mountain, any place. So here D is capital, here M, E capital, here D is capital again. So that is the name. Proper noun means particular, only one of the type. No other has the same name. Then proper nouns is always capitalized. Remember this thing. Students, never forget this. Proper noun should be capitalized, means it should be in capital letter like this. Now for example, if you are writing your name, my name is John. So how will you write? M capital, the first alphabet capital, and when you write John, again J must be capital because it is a proper noun. Any person's name is given. So always remember the proper noun should be capitalized. Understood what is proper noun? Yes, so I hope you have understood what is proper noun and you can give your own examples of the proper noun. You can write down the examples of the proper noun. Any 5 examples which come to your mind, you can note down in your notebook. Along with that, right side you can also make one new column and write down 5 common nouns. For example, I will tell you proper nouns can be Mahdi School, that is the name of your school, so that is proper noun. And right side you can write anything name like a pencil, that is common noun. So write 5 proper nouns and 5 common nouns. Now here I have brought 5 examples for you, but you have to write your own examples. I have brought some new examples for you. You need not copy this, but you can write your own. So let us understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. So what is the difference? See, left side I have written all the common nouns and right side I have written all the proper nouns. Let us read and understand. See, number 1, what is given? Coffee shop. So you might have visited coffee shop like CCD, Coffee Cafe Days or Coffee Cafe, right? So that is called coffee shop, where you can go and drink coffee. And there can be so many coffee shops in every city. In each and every city you see coffee shops are more than one, means 2, 5, 10. There can be so many coffee shops in one city. So coffee shop is a common noun. Why? Because we can see so many coffee shop in one city, in one area. We can see one coffee shop, but in one city like Bhavnagar, like Ahmedabad, we can see so many coffee shops are there. So it is a common noun. But what is given over here right side? See, coffee home. So that is a proper noun. How can I say? See, I have written C capital, H capital because it is a proper noun. Now suppose you go to a CCD. So that is the name of a place, that is the name of the shop. Same way here it is the name of the shop, coffee home. That is only one in the whole city. For example, you say Bhavnagar, if you go to coffee home, so it is only one place. There is no other place like coffee home. So that is only one. There is no other place. That is called proper noun. So when it is the name of a shop, any shop, if you have the name of any shop, it should be in capital because it is a proper noun. Then number 2 is given jeans. So jeans which you wear. For example, you can also wear trousers and jeans. So boys wear jeans mostly. So boys mostly wear jeans. So that is common noun because jeans that is worn by so many boys. Boys wear jeans. It is worn by so many boys. So it is common noun. But what is given over here? Right side it is given spiker. So do you know what is spiker? It is the name of a jeans. It is the name of a brand. So company, any company's name is given. Like for example, Kit Kat, or you can say Dairy Milk. So the company name, that is the name of company. So that is called proper noun. Same way here, spiker is the name of the jeans company. If any company's name is given, then it is capital, as you can see as capital. Jeans are so many, but spiker jeans is only one of its type. Spiker jeans are not common. It is the name of a brand. Then number 3, river. So rivers can be so many, Ganga, Yamuna, etc. There can be so many rivers. So it is not capital. See, R is not capital. But when we talk about Ganga, it is only one river. There is no other river whose name is Ganga. It is only one of the type. So we have to write G capital because Ganga is only one river. Then if you give other names, that can be so many rivers like Yamuna, Ravi. All these are rivers. So when you write any river's name, you have to write capital, first alphabet capital. But when you only write river, then you have to write it in lower case. But if I write any river's name, the first alphabet is capital because this is proper noun and this is common noun. Then number 4, what is given over here? Country. Now countries are so many. There are so many countries in the world. For example, India, America, Japan, etc. There are so many countries in the world. So it is common noun. Countries are so many. But if I say India, India is only one country. We live in India. We live in Bhavnagar. So India is the name of our country. Bhavnagar is the name of our city. So India is proper noun and that's why we write I capital. Always when you write India, I must be capital because it is the name of our country. Like when we write Japan, when we write America, that at that time also the first alphabet should be capital. Same way when you write India, first alphabet should be capital because it is the name of a place, of a country. So it is a proper noun. Number 5, last what is given? School. Now schools are so many, right? In Bhavnagar you see there are so many schools. But in which school do you study? Do you study in all the schools? No, you study in your school and that is Mahdi school. So Mahdi school is proper noun. See, M capital, S capital because it is the name of your school. You study in that school and it is only one. In whole Bhavnagar, in whole India, Mahdi school is only one. There is no other similar school. So it is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular school. And when you only write school, then schools can be so many. But Mahdi school is only one. So it is capital and this is not capital because this is common noun and Mahdi school is proper noun. Here are some examples of common nouns. As you can see on your screen, you have seen all these things around you. These are all common nouns and none of these are in capital alphabets. As you can see, all are in lower case. You have seen butterflies. Butterflies are so beautiful. Different colors butterflies you have seen. They are flying. So butterfly is not a common noun because there are so many butterflies. It is a common noun. Hat. Hat is also common. We can wear hat when there is a lot of sunlight. You can protect it from the sun rays. Elephant. Elephants are also so many, right? We can see so many elephants in the jungle and even outside at some places. So elephant is also common noun. Then hairspray. Car. So many cars are there walking down the road. So cars, you can see so many different colors cars, different sizes, shape. Car is a common noun. Then caterpillar, even the insects, these are common noun. Then orange. So many oranges you have. At a time you can bring 1 dozen oranges. It is common noun. Then mango. So many mangoes you can eat, right? So many mangoes can be brought together. mango is a common noun. It is the name of a particular fruit, but all the mangoes are given the same name, mango. Bread, what you eat, that is common noun. Knife, which your mother uses for cutting the vegetables, that is common noun. So many knives can be there. In your house, you can have 4, 5 knives also. Then cat, right? Very cute pet. Cat is a common noun. So many cats you can see, so many kittens you can see. Then you can see chair. In your class, in your house also you can see so many chairs are there. It is common noun. Pear, that is a fruit, common noun. Cheese, you can see so much of cheese. You have it in your house, you can eat it, that is common noun. So all these are the examples of common nouns. You can see the things around you. Now as you can see, this is the back of your textbook. What is lesson? Lesson number 4, nouns. So let us read what is given over here. Warm up exercise is given. See, here are the pictures of people, places, animals and things. So pictures are given over here as you can see on your screen. People, places, animals and things. Circle the common nouns with blue and proper nouns with red. So we have to circle the common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns with blue, proper nouns with red color. So let us start our exercise. As you can see, all these images we have to start one by one and we have to see whether it is common noun or proper noun. So first of all, let us start with the common nouns. We will find out the common nouns from the given pictures and then we will circle it. So what is given the first one? So first one, as you can see over here, what is this? This is the bookshop. So bookshop is a common noun. We have to circle bookshop. That is a common noun. So I have circled it with blue. It is a common noun. There are so many bookshops. You can go to any bookshop and buy your books. Then what is the next common noun? As you can see over here, I can see over here an animal is given. It is which animal? Yes, it is hippopotamus. So even that animal is a common noun. Hippopotamus is a common noun. As I can see, it is hippo. You can say in short hippopotamus. So that is a common noun. I have circled it. I have circled hippo. So one is bookshop, one is hippopotamus. Then let us see which is the next common noun from here. Here I can see genie. This is genie. There is some magic. It is also common noun. So let us circle it. Genie. Common noun. Then next one. Which is the other common noun as you can see on your screen? Yes, this is something flying in the sky. What is this? This is helicopter. So let us circle. That is also common noun. So I have circled it with blue. All the common nouns you have to circle with blue. Then what is the other thing you can see? I can see the snail over here. That is an insect. So that is also common noun. So let me circle with blue color because common nouns I have to circle with blue. So as you can see, I have circled snail with blue. Now let us see the next one. Here, can you see the school? So I told you school is a common noun, but if it is a particular name of the school, then it is proper noun. So here it is only the school. So that is common noun because it is not given any name. Only school is written. So it is common noun. Then next one, can you see this animal? Yes, which tall animal is this? The very tall animal, giraffe. So that is also common noun. It is very tall animal, but it is common noun. Giraffe is commonly said to all the giraffes. Now the remaining one I can see, all that are remaining which we have not circled are all proper nouns. So let us circle the proper nouns now. So proper nouns we will circle with red color. So what is this? Can you see over here the image? Yes, it is very well known building. What is this? This is the Red Fort. So it is red color, the Red Fort, India. So let us circle this with red. It is Red Fort and we have to circle with red. It is proper noun because it is a particular place in India. People go to visit this. It is very famous place in India. Red Fort. We have circled with red color. Then next one, can you see over here? Very tall something is there. Tower is there. Where is the tower? Can you see this? Yes, this is tower. It is very tall. And do you know the name of this tower? Eiffel Tower, the tallest tower. So let us circle with red because it is the name of a particular tower. No other tower in the world is Eiffel Tower. Only this one is Eiffel Tower. This is called Eiffel Tower. Very, very, very tall it is. and it is proper noun. So we have circled with red color. Then let us see next what is given. Yes, as you can see over here, what is the image? This image is of very famous place, very famous building, and we know this by one of the 7 wonders of the world. What is the name of this? Can you tell me the name? Because it is proper noun. Do you recall the name of this place? It is the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal in Agra. It is very famous place in India and one of the best places to visit in India. Emperor Shah Jahan had made this Taj Mahal for his late wife. So this is also proper noun. As you can see, proper nouns I have circled with red and common nouns I have circled with blue. So let us recall again what are common nouns. Bookshop, hippopotamus, then genie, helicopter, snail, then giraffe, school. Then which are proper nouns that we have seen? We have seen Red Fort, Eiffel Tower, Taj Mahal. All these are proper nouns. So now you know what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. Now let us read the definition of the noun, and you have to write the definition in your notebook. So what is the definition of the noun? A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. So write down this definition in your notebook, please students. A noun is the name of a person, place, an animal or a thing. That is called a noun. Once more I will repeat and you will write down and you will speak with me. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal or a thing. So as we have discussed earlier and we have discussed in this warm-up exercise, any person, any place, anything, all these animals, things, insects, shop, school, and all these things are called nouns. Nouns can be of 2 types, proper and common mostly, and other types also are there. We will study in the lesson. So I hope you have written this definition in your notebook. Let us see what is given next. So what is given over here? Look at the pictures, read the words. So we have to see these pictures. Let us read the words what are given over here. See, this is, what is this? A baby is just sitting inside it. It is a baby. Then this is a city. Like we live in the city we live in is Bhavnagar. Same way you can say Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, Surat, etc. All these are the names of the cities that are there in Gujarat. So this is a particular city. You can see so many buildings are there. Same way in Bhavnagar, when you just go out, you just see so many tall buildings are there. Some are short, some are tall. So this is a city. Then what is this? Can you see the wool outside? We can make many things from wool. We can make sweater and other warm clothes. So what is this? Wearing wool. It is a ship. Ship has wool outside. It is woolen and we get warmth with this wool. So this is the ship. Then toothbrush. Early morning when you get up, the first thing we do, we wash our face, then we brush. So that is the first thing we need in the morning. The toothbrush. Without brushing the teeth, we cannot do anything else. So first thing we do in the morning, that is brush. So what do we need for that? We need toothbrush. So did you see all these things? These are all the things which we see regularly. Baby, city, ship, toothbrush, and all these things are called common nouns. Now did you understand what are common nouns? See what is given over here. These words are not the names of any special or particular person, place, animal or thing. It is not a special name. Babies can be so many. Cities can be so many. Ship, it can be so many. Then toothbrush. Everyone has different toothbrush in the house. So toothbrushes can be so many. So all these things are so many in number, and that's why they are called common nouns. So let us underline the definition. A noun, that is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, is called a common noun. It is not a specific name. I am not giving any specific name. I am not saying this is Bhavnagar, but any city. So it is common noun. Anyone's toothbrush, any sheep or any baby, it is a common noun. So I hope you have learned the definition. A noun, that is the name of any person, place, animal or thing, is common noun. And common nouns can be more than one. It can be so many. It can be common. So in today's video, we have started lesson 4, we have done warm-up exercise and we have understood what are proper nouns and what are common nouns. The next we will solve further in the video. Thank you, take care, goodbye.